Welcome once again to Technology with Purpose, where we explore the latest and most exciting trends in the tech world. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone involved in manufacturing: flexible automation, and why it's becoming the preferred choice over traditional, dedicated automation. As industries evolve, one question that many manufacturers are facing is whether to invest in dedicated automation systems or embrace more flexible solutions like industrial robots. If you're wondering what the difference is and why flexible automation is gaining so much attention, stay tuned as we break it down for you. Let's start with flexibility. Traditional dedicated automation systems are usually designed for a single, specific task. For instance, a conveyor system that is only built to handle one type of product or a machine that's dedicated to assembling one specific part. While this can be highly efficient for mass production of a single product, it doesn't offer much flexibility if production needs change. In contrast, flexible automation, especially industrial robots, can handle a variety of tasks. Think about it like this. If your production line needs to switch from manufacturing one type of product to another, dedicated systems might require expensive modifications or complete overhauls. But with robots, you can simply reprogram them to perform new tasks, making them ideal for industries where product demand or specifications change frequently. This is especially important for smaller manufacturers or businesses that produce multiple product lines, allowing them to stay nimble in a fast-moving market. Now let's talk about scalability. Scalability refers to the ability to adjust production output based on demand, something that's increasingly important in today's world of fluctuating markets. With traditional automation, scaling up might require installing an entirely new dedicated system, which can be both costly and time-consuming. However, flexible automation systems, like industrial robots, are inherently scalable. You can add more robots to your line to meet higher production demand, or even reassign robots from one task to another as needed without having to overhaul the entire system. This makes robots a great solution for companies that need to quickly adapt to market shifts, increasing or decreasing their output with minimal hassle. Next, let's discuss the big one: return on investment, or ROI. At first glance, the cost of implementing flexible automation might seem higher than sticking with dedicated systems, especially when considering the price of industrial robots and the need for programming. However, when you factor in the long-term savings, flexible automation can deliver a much higher ROI. Why? Because robots are not only more versatile, but also more efficient in the long run. They operate around the clock, with minimal downtime. Unlike human workers who may need breaks, robots can run continuously, reducing cycle times and speeding up production. Additionally, robots reduce the risk of human error, improving product quality and consistency. Over time, this leads to lower operational costs, fewer defects, and less rework, all contributing to a better return on investment. Moreover, robots reduce labor costs. By automating repetitive, hazardous, or physically demanding tasks, companies can allocate human workers to higher-value jobs, optimizing their workforce while maintaining a competitive edge. Finally, one of the key benefits of flexible automation is the ability to handle product variations. As markets become more dynamic and consumer demands change rapidly, companies need the ability to quickly adapt their production lines to accommodate new products, sizes, or even small batch runs. Robots allow for this kind of flexibility with minimal lead time. Whether you're switching from mass production of one model to a custom-built version or switching between different products altogether, industrial robots can quickly adjust to meet those needs. In conclusion, flexible automation systems, especially robots, offer huge advantages in terms of flexibility, scalability, and ROI. While traditional dedicated systems may be ideal for industries with very specific, high-volume needs, flexible automation is rapidly becoming the go-to solution for companies that want to remain agile, competitive, and future-ready in today's rapidly evolving market. I hope this video helped you understand the benefits of flexible automation in modern manufacturing. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.